So this is Andrew with Stannp.com, the direct mail platform. Today we're going to be going through our tracking and reporting feature of our dashboard and how you can utilize that. So to start off, you will want to just go to the reports section here on your dashboard. And then from here, you'll see a different few informational items such as how many direct mail items total you've sent, as well as how many SMS messages. And then it'll give you a quick breakdown of the reporting of each campaign that you've sent out. As you can see, this one I have just sent and it is marked as preparing campaign. And then for the other two that have already been delivered, you'll see a pie chart there with all of your reporting information. If you scroll down just a bit, you'll see how many daily communications you've had. That is going to be between your direct mail pieces and your SMS messages. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, it's going to give you a balance report of outgoing sends and also incoming balance top-ups. If we come to the top again, you can also pin any of these campaigns to your dashboard to more easily track the reporting. So if I pin this one, for example, you'll see it'll pop up right there on my dashboard. And then if we go back into the reporting for that campaign, we can click on View Insights. This will give us a lot of details about our campaign shown here. And then we also have this pie chart with all of these different reporting analytics. We can also dive a little bit deeper into each mail piece. So if we click on View Recipient Insights, this will take you to all of the events that have happened for that recipient, as well as all of that recipient's properties. To go back, we can also click on the View Tracking for this mail piece. This will give you the individual tracking breakdown for that mail piece in particular. Or you can also just download the PDF file for that mail piece as well, so you can get the approved sample for that recipient. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out anytime. We'd be happy to help. Thanks and have a good day.